Top 5 Best Drone. Number 5. Holystone F180W Mini Drone. First person view 720p HD real-time video camera. 100% to seamlessly shift speeds, gradual acceleration. Switched between left-hand throttle and right-hand throttle. Perfect action and wonderful performance. Comes with bonus battery. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 4. Holystone HS200 FPV RC Drone. First person view 720p HD real-time video camera. Easy for you to shoot quality images or videos. Control the drone with a smartphone app. Great function when the drone is out of sight. 2.4G for Chanel. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 3. Holystone HS110D FPV RC Drone. This high-quality camera captures memorable moments. Easy, stable flight experience makes this a perfect drone. Orientation of the drone is in relation to the pilot. Easier to control and fly back when the drone is out of sight. 1000 mAh high-capacity battery. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 2. Contexo F17 RC Quadcopter 4K Drone. Best performance drones with brushless motors. 4K camera included. 4K camera to capture stunning photos/videos. Battery life to 50% or more compared to conventional motors. Smart remote control alarm function. 2100 mAh battery. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 1. Holystone HS700 FPV Drone. Advanced 5G 1080p FHD camera. 20 minutes max flight time. GPS assisted flight. Brushless motor. Simple control. Please check out the description for details and update prices.